How to use Hobby Lobby for wedding decor. Hobby Lobby is a major resource for DIY wedding decor, offering everything from ceremony to small receptions details like place, card, and favor as well. So, best area to shop is the his or her wedding sections, the floral department, home decor, and frame. So what you want to do is open the Hobby Lobby app onto your device and you go to the home page. This is where you could go ahead and tap onto the search and type in wedding decor and hit the search. Once you do it, so you will be able to find all the information and company and all that listed out in detail. You just want to make sure to go ahead and select it which of is your preference, and that's how you'll be able to use Hobby Lobby for wedding decor. If you're not able to do it within the app or having some confusion, then what you want to do is just open up browser, and on the search you just want to type in Hobby Lobby decor or wedding decor. You just want to make sure to go ahead and type in that, and this way you could first tap onto the first pop-up link, and that's going to take you to the page. So with that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.